Mu rukiko rw'Akanyabwanya orubira hari urukiko horo ahagati y'abarwebembera PDM mu Kabale hamwe na Jovrin Chomukama Karisa uriyo muhizi wa mukuru w'enkora ya PDM mu ihanga ryona kishangirwe ngo umwebesa n'umuhabizwe biremisa bature mu Kabale okutunga sente za PDM abuzi bwahabwenca b'urukiko bataratungire sente za PDM bitu yaremwa kugaruka mu
But why are the parish chiefs were not involved? So what do you expect the parish chiefs to supervise? You just tell me when. The way these people manufactured the whatever the data, your extension workers can equally manufacture the what? The data.
Aha nyuma yo kubura kushoborekerwe mu ebesaga mbere Karisa aragira ngo arekeraho gukora umurimo wo
between Monday and Wednesday. I will personally be here on Monday. So I will go to the bank. If the money is in Bank of Uganda, we shall get it there to your account. I know how to do it. We must make these things work because we have all it takes.
Karisa yorekangwe bizube byo mu Kabale nibingi kandi tubarukwija kubikereza kugumiza mu
tinguza kucishereka obuzubu bwabandize bukabura umubed sente z'abanyakabale kubatarabdire mu mani na hata hamiruka kubazitaru ukaba ryo rutarusinzigo mbwe na hatiya nabwe no bireba nabwe no waru nabwe tibishemire mwe bamurekireho ki barinzire babanze bamutora mucono mwe beda rugeho barondo ndijo muntu bamutekeho and that is a directive. It's not a request, it is a directive. Tell request. Habukuba esente z'abantu zigumana zigomba mikono nezigomba mikono training abantu tiba ku trainingwa then okarinda ngwakiruho the same person I am seeing buna agenda buri sente zikazubuze and in millions of money.
Ogunagira ngo rukubanza rw'ebiro bishatu byo kwezi kwa mushanje umwaka ogu nubo Kabale birishimirire kutandika kugaba sente za PDM beta habwo bwebembezo bubi ticara basche.
Gone through the two AGMs. We only had the first annual general meeting after making the circles.
Most of us are not specific. We are not sure of AGM, like how it is conducted and what purpose.
Obwe PDM mu Kabale no buzubunkobu abatura birarikirire ngwenkora ya government eji ebasobutaruga mu magoba agabire gagitebekana sibwe gasha kwa Job namanya.